We're at a scrubby little connection to Salt Creek. We weren't able to camp exactly where we were planning on because there wasn't a good landing spot. And we finally found us a little dried up tributary there to ramp up to and get off here. This isn't too bad. A lot of walnut trees and stuff, so once we get her walked around, stomped in a little, it won't be bad. I'm gonna put a campfire right over there. So we're kind of here at the confluence of Salt Creek and one of her little tributaries right here. So that's pretty cool. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Where's my son at? Oh yeah, dude. A couple hours, this will be a broken-in campsite, man. I'll tell you what. Seriously, we break this thing in good. I'm gonna drop a marker here. This is a good spot to come back to, really. This would be a good fishing and hunting spot. All right, so here is the campsite now. She's a little more broken in. Chris still about got that hammock covered up. Got my old hammock and tarp set up over here. Stomped it down a little, knocked the weeds down a little. Got our chairs. Got a little campfire here. A little bit of firewood going, but there's so much dry stuff around, you ain't gotta look far for firewood. Then we got it all kind of nice little spot over here. And you just, you know, hang out and philosophize. Well, yeah. Looking like a nice day. Whew. You see the beavers have had a good time down here. But just got the fire going. We got about 3 hours of daylight left, so got plenty of time to get a nice, warm, cozy fire. Nice. Nobody's making. Yeah, we can actually throw this in the pile. Begging. Ah, shit. So wake up. Ooh. Look at that. Well, here's day 2. You can see campground got nice and stomped down, broken in. Fire eventually, firewood was not a problem. But, you know, it's amazing. Walk around, stomp around, break you a nice little campsite. This would be a good fishing campsite here too. Maybe cut away a couple of these little branches here. You have a good little cliff to cast out on out here. Breaking her down. Got about a 4.5 mile paddle back. Then we're gonna go get some brunch somewhere.
All right, ready.
Pivot, pivot.
You all right?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I'm sitting it.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Whew.
Saturday.